Hi, I'm Clarice. Welcome to the Flooring Corner here at Georgia Carpet. Today, we're talking about Shaw's newest product called Prodigy HDR Plus from the Floorte Elite collection. This beautiful luxury vinyl flooring is available in 10 different colors, from light and airy to dark and bold. It will bring elegance and comfort to any space. It can be installed by floating it over existing hard surfaces in any room of the house, including basements. It's 100% waterproof, which helps prevent damage from spills and accidents. It comes in a 7-inch by 48-inch vinyl plank and has a thickness of 8.7 millimeters with the attached pad. It is also Floor Scores certified, which means it does not release any harsh chemicals or toxins into the air. This product is backed by a lifetime residential warranty, a 15-year scratch warranty, and a 20-year light commercial warranty. In addition to all these great qualities, there are two key factors that make Prodigy HDR Plus stand out from the rest of the competition. The PVC-free mineral core on this product is extremely dense, which makes it strong, durable, and resilient for high-traffic areas. It also has Shaw Floor's industry-leading paw defense technology, a thermoresin top coat that provides elite protection against scratches from pet nails and active play, all-day activity for moving furniture, sliding chairs, and daily foot traffic, and wheels on chairs, luggages, or small sports equipment. To learn more about this product, visit us at georgiacarpet.com or give us a call at 800-535-8789 and check us out on social media at Georgia Carpet on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube.